If you're wondering how to use JungleScout's data for market trends, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage this powerful tool to understand market dynamics and make smarter business decisions. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how JungleScout can help you tap into profitable opportunities, and I'll also share a special offer to try out the software for free with exclusive bonuses. Let's start by understanding why JungleScout is a game changer for market trend analysis. This tool gives you access to data from Amazon, which is invaluable for uncovering product trends, sales volumes, and competition levels. With this information, you can accurately predict what's gaining traction and find opportunities in markets that are ripe for the picking. The first thing you need to know is how to access the product database feature. This is where you can filter through millions of products based on specific criteria like category, price, and sales volume. If you're trying to spot the next trending product, JungleScout's filters help you narrow down your search to products that are moving fast. You can also track competitors to see how well they are performing and adjust your strategy accordingly. Next, JungleScout's Opportunity Finder is another tool that's perfect for market trend analysis. This tool uses data from real Amazon listings to highlight profitable niches. For instance, it looks at the competition and demand for certain keywords, helping you identify high-demand products that don't yet have a saturated market. It's perfect for discovering emerging market trends before they become mainstream. Now, let's talk about the Keyword Scout tool. Keywords are essential when it comes to understanding market trends because they directly reflect what consumers are searching for. JungleScout's Keyword Scout allows you to analyze keyword volume and competition, giving you insight into what potential buyers are looking for. This feature is especially useful if you're looking to create content around trending topics or need to optimize your listings for better visibility. Another way to use JungleScout's data for market trends is by utilizing the Sales Analytics tool. This feature provides in-depth insights into sales performance over time, helping you track the performance of your products and competitors. By analyzing historical data, you can spot patterns and predict future demand with a high degree of accuracy. This is perfect for staying ahead of market shifts and adjusting your approach before trends peak. If you're looking for even more granular insights, JungleScout's supplier database can give you a look into where top sellers are sourcing their products. This can help you identify trusted suppliers, better understand pricing structures, and get a sense of what's happening at a global level in your niche. So, to sum it up, JungleScout's data is an invaluable resource for understanding market trends. Whether you're tracking product performance, uncovering new opportunities, analyzing keyword data, or learning about your competitors, the insights you gain can make all the difference when it comes to scaling your business. If you're new to JungleScout and want to get started, make sure to grab the exclusive offer from the first link in the description below. You'll be able to try the software for free, and with our extended trial, you'll have the tools to dive deeper into market trends and start making smarter decisions right away. Don't forget to check out the link for more information and exclusive bonuses.